Planters cashew, halves and pieces. Semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Coming in with some Jet Puff mini marshmallows. I've got a bag here of freeze-dried strawberry pieces. You can leave these big like I am, or you can make them smaller by crunching them up. I'm just gonna add a few more. I got 2 bags, super cheap, easy, and convenient to buy at Walmart. I'm gonna put in a little bit of Valentine's Day sprinkles. Y'all are gonna see the beautiful result. All right, I'm coming in with my white chocolate melting wafers. I'm just gonna put these sort of in my different corners of my heart-shaped pan here. A little bit more over there. Now I've got this bright pink color. It's kind of fun. It's contrasting our red and our all different colors that we have with the marshmallows, the chocolate chips, the cashews. We're just making like a good sized stripe of these here. And I'm gonna kind of keep those a little bit, I don't want them to be overlapping with the white. Alrighty, I've got my red melting wafers. I know you're thinking, oh, those go perfectly with the strawberries. They look like the same old thing there. But this is gonna be so pretty once we get this all melted together. Now I've got some light pink here, and this is actually strawberry cream flavored, which sounds absolutely delicious. Really excited to try this one. All right, y'all, I've got my oven set to 250. I'm just gonna put this in for about 5 minutes, keeping an eye on it. Alrighty, everyone, it was just in the oven for a few minutes, starting to look nice and melted here. So I'm just gonna grab my spatula and kind of start smoothing first our solid colors together into stripes, pushing together our bright pink color here. Oh, I love Valentine's Day, y'all. I love Valentine's Day aesthetic. So pretty, so cute. It's just one of my favorite holidays because of how cute and fabulous everything Valentine's Day is. And I know some, like my husband, say it's not a real holiday, but you know, it is in my heart. All right, I'm gonna start doing some diagonal lines through here. I want to pull them all the same direction to begin with. I think it goes a little bit better if you pull them slowly. I'm going to go back the other direction in between our stripes here. Beautiful. And then I'm just going to start doing a little bit of extra swirls. Just kind of bring some more of like our pink into our white. So pretty. All right, we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of cashews on here. I use my mini marshmallows, but of course, leave them out if you don't like them. We use those freeze-dried strawberries, our semi-sweet chocolate morsels inside. I did not mean to put that many mini marshmallows on. They just came out so quickly, y'all, that unfortunately, we see a lot of mini marshmallow now. And I'm gonna put a little bit more of my Valentine sprinkles. Y'all, Marty does not like the Valentine sprinkles, so if you're like Marty, just leave them off. And now I'm gonna pop this into my refrigerator for a couple hours and let it harden. Alrighty, everyone, we just let this harden in our fridge for a couple of hours. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so cool. Giant heart for Valentine's Day. I'm just taking all of my wax paper off. Parchment paper that was on the bottom, and we can see both sides. Now this side, I wanted to enhance our design more, but I did not want to put so many marshmallows. And this side, like that. So you can see all those yummy fillings. Isn't that awesome? Wow, y'all. This looks amazing. We've got that strawberry cream in here, flavored white chocolate, red chocolate, pink chocolate, and all these yummy, yummy toppings. We're gonna leave it like this for now, y'all. This is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.